The government and Bank Indonesia expect July inflation to be lower than that recorded the previous month on the back of stabilising food prices and reports of adequate rice grain. Supply overall inflation during Ramadan this year has been below levels of recent years.
The government is confident the July inflation rate will be lower than that in June, after registering sufficient rice grain stocks. Coordinating Minister for the Economy, Darwin Nasution, says the first 2 weeks of June saw food prices jump before eventually stabilizing in the weeks following, a trend which is expected to continue in July. Darwin says, aside from the adequate rice grain supply, national demand for shallots will also be met as the harvest period for the key commodity approaches. The Deposit Insurance Agency has recorded 2.5 million tons of rice grain surplus outside its commercial stocks, ensuring sufficient supply until the end of the year.
Saya percaya inflasi kita bulan Juli itu akan rendah, bahkan mungkin ya paling tinggi sama dengan bulan Juni, bisa sedikit lebih rendah.
BI predicts the post-Lebaran inflation rate will be lower than that during the fasting month. Incidentally, inflation during Lebaran this year has been lower than average levels of recent years, ranging between 0.99% to 1.2%. While inflation in June this year stood at 0.66%.